Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 161. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. Ohm is a unit of measuring what? The correct answer is resistance. Ohm is defined as an electrical resistance between 2 points of a conductor when a constant potential difference of 1 volt applied to these points produces in the conductor a current of 1 ampere. The conductor not being the seat of any electromotive force. What is the cost sharing ratio of the Swaran Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, which was launched in 1999? The correct answer is center takes 75% of the burden and states take 25%. So SGSY was launched on April 1st, 1999. The objective is to bring the assisted Swarojgaris or people who work on their own above the poverty line by providing them with an income generating asset through bank credit and government subsidy. The scheme is being implemented on a 75:25 cost sharing of between the center and the states. Which of the following was the first country to introduce goods and services tax? The correct answer is France. France was the first country to implement GST in 1954. China adopted it in 1994 and India in 2017. The Financial Action Task Force is an intergovernmental body. What is the main purpose of this task force? The correct answer is to combat money laundering and terrorist finance. The Financial Action Task Force or FATF is an intergovernmental policymaking body that has a ministerial mandate to establish international standards for combating money laundering and terrorist financing. India joined it as its 34th member on June 2010. Which among the following bills make a passage for India to be a part of Financial Action Task Force? So we just learned what the Financial Action Task Force is, and India joined on June 2010, and the bill that allowed it was Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2009. Which among the following are the three pillars of Basel II? The correct answer is minimum capital requirements, supervisory review, and market discipline. Basel II is an international business standard that requires financial institutions to maintain enough cash reserves to cover risks incurred by operations. The Basel Accords are a series of recommendations on banking laws and regulations issued by the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. Which among the following surveys are conducted by the National Sample Survey Organization or NSSO? The correct answer is all of the above, that is Socioeconomic Service, Annual Survey of Industries and Agricultural Surveys. The National Sample Surveys Office is headed by a Director General who is responsible for conduct of large-scale sample surveys in diverse fields on all India basis. It also maintains a frame of urban area units for use in sample surveys in urban areas, along with collecting data on rural and urban prices, and it also plays a significant role in the improvement of crop statistics through supervision of the area enumeration and crop estimation service of the state agencies. India's Look East policy represents its effort to cultivate extensive economic and strategic relations with which of the following? The correct answer is nations of Southeast Asia. It is an effort to cultivate an extensive economic and strategic relation with the nations of Southeast Asia in order to bolster its standing as a regional power and a counterweight to the strategic influence of China. India has also been conducting joint naval exercises named SIMBEX since 1994 with which of the following countries? The correct answer is Singapore. It is an annual bilateral naval exercise conducted by Indian Navy and the Republic of Singapore Navy. Where is the local branch of International Social Security Association or ISSA South Asia in India? The correct answer is New Delhi. So this is an organization that brings together National Social Security Administration and agencies. It was founded in 1927 and now has more than 330 organizations in 158 countries. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and in India, it has its offices in New Delhi. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.